Okay, no, it's not a Savage Geese channel. Welcome to JJ Central's DIY channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a Volvo C40 Recharge. And this is an electric car, and it is a unique one because there is no counterpart gas side. The XC40 is the gas side, but it has a different styling on this. So what is this car? Volvo's first attempt to full electrification, and it is awesome. So the pros and cons we'll quickly go over so you can understand how quirky it is and why it's not selling as good as the Teslas and other stuff. And also, is it worth buying? So let's get to that. Let me start with the bad news. The car cost astronomically more than the other electric cars. So it's about $50,000 to $60,000 range. But a 1-year used model, you can get it for $25,000 to $30,000 range. A steep decline, but it's such a great value if you can pick up one with a 1-year used car with less than 20,000 miles on it. Now, what does it have? Google interface built in, which means Google Maps and all the Google apps you can ask for, Apple CarPlay, Google Assistant, and also Google Store, Play Store for all your stuff. So not only maps and all that, but everything Google integrated, as well as Apple integrated with your Apple CarPlay. So that's a plus. Google Maps are also integrated into this dash with your speedometer, odometer, and your gear shifting and all that. So that's really nicely laid out in terms of technology and electronics. The Volvo safety suite of everything you can ask for, cross the lane keep assist and the cross traffic alert and the emergency braking, a whole bunch of airbags, and all that stuff is built in. So perfectly good car. But why did it not sell? First, pricing, it was priced high. Two, the range on these cars is about 230 to 250 miles per full charge, which means it is less than the Tesla. That's all there is. Tesla gives over 300 generally. This is in the 225 to 250 range miles per full charge, and that is why it's not selling much. Apart from that, this is superior than the Tesla in so many ways. Some of those I could point out. One, it's a lot quieter, and the fit and finish is a typical Volvo. Simple, but really nicely done, where a Tesla would be a little more rattly and a little more cheaper material in terms of the fit and finish. The seats are nice. These things even extend on the higher models for your leg rest, and everything is really nice. Now check this out. A complete 360 camera, which Tesla doesn't have, obviously. And even though Tesla has many cameras around, you don't get that bird's eye view. And a screen behind here, which the Tesla doesn't offer, which is pretty valuable, even though it's simple on the Tesla side. This is totally worth it if you can get it used, gently used. And it's a perfectly nice car. If your commute is anywhere less than 100 miles in a round trip, this would be a perfect car if you have the possibility to charge at home. It does have the fast charging capability, as you can see. You have your DC chargers, and still, I would say you need charge at home. Another cool feature car has is, you can put your foot down and it opens completely. And in the back, there's quite a few space, a little under trunk, and it's not as big as the SC40, which is slightly a different model than the C40. The C40 has a little more slopier back. XC40 has a little more boxier back. That's the only difference. Powertrain is exactly the same. In the front, we have a small frunk. You can put your laptop or something in here. You can even take this off. So yes, a small frunk because it is a dual motor, and it produces 400 plus horsepower, which is in par with the Model Y's speed and around 4 seconds for 0 to 60. Have lots of conveniences like cup holders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside the seat, 7, 8 on the cubby's little one. So all those cup holders are good, unlike other European cars. Massive glass roof, just like a Model Y, but this looks more transparent. You can actually see the sky and the colors and everything. Beautiful day outside. The only downside here is The rear visibility is pretty low, as you can see. You can kind of drop and fold the headrest just like that from the front. That gives you a little more visibility, but still it's tight. As in standard Volvo fashion, there are some quirky stuff like a trash can right here, a little hook here, and 2 slots for like parking cards to go in here, and another slot to display your parking permits right there. 3 garage home link buttons, ability to call Volvo service and emergency services. Some absolutely useless rear light or dome light. The map light seems to be a little more powerful in here compared to the rear. Seats drop down 60-40, but you also have a pass-through for like skis or long 2x4s or something like that you can put in there. There is a cargo cover right there. Airbags everywhere, curtain airbags, rear airbags, front airbags, knee airbags, passenger airbag, driver airbag, steering airbag. Of course, it's a Volvo. What do you expect? Harman Kardon system, pretty decent. I think there's also upgrade available on the Bose side. Recycled eco material, basically a doormat. And you have vegan suede and vegan leather, or whatever it's called. One nice thing is you have this extension that goes for your foot, and an ashtray or coin box with a wireless charging area right here. Physical buttons for entertainment system, actual click. But then you have a blank button and a SD card reader. Memory seats, 1 and 2 positions, a child lock electronic, and all the usual controls for your window up and down, one touch, all that, mirror and lock unlock. You got some quirky shifter, reverses forward, and that brings a backup camera. You also can switch to 360 camera, which is super cool. And drive is back, and then park is a button press. Something to mention on the driving settings, you have an off-road mode, which you can do for like a slower 4x4 use case, as well as all the lane keep assist and road sign reading. One pedal driving, awesome. Steering wheel firm, it is firm or soft, nothing in between. Heated seats and heated steering, as well as rear heated seats, and also a cigarette lighter outlet in the back. Traditional steerings, traditional levers, and vents can be closed and opened with the spinning knob, as well as proper buttons with tactical feedback. And you can see this particular adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist and all that. Dimming mirrors. It's pretty useless actually, because you can't see anything through that easily. Nice 20-inch wheels, parking sensors, cameras on the bottom of the mirrors, front and back. Nice LED lighting with the opening sequence and the locking sequence. Aerodynamic scoops, totally flat undercarriage. Good up and down motion on the seats, and it's 15-way adjustable, up, down, side, all that. And then you have the lumbar support with the air coming in and out, and front moving in and out for your thigh support as well. Headrests are pretty good. Child seat hookup is pretty nice and easily accessible. And also 2 seats can comfortably go in there. First have the windshield washer coming out of weird angles. And overall it is super cool looking. Nice, clean lines, finish. What do you guys think? Put it on the comment. Tell me how you like this car, and tell me about the video as well. Please subscribe and I'll give you more content just like this. All right, I'll see you in the next video.